up, girl? Good morning and welcome back to another video. As you can see, the goats are outside of their cage because in their cage there's nothing more to eat. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna make a movable cage for them because the main reason we bought the goats is to trim our grass. And that's what we need to do. We need to make them now a movable cage so we can move them all over our fields to eat our grass. But we're starting off here because I haven't eaten anything today and they're super hungry, as you can see. So let's get started.
This is how far I got. I've made the base. It's pretty strong. It rolls around. I can show you how it rolls. Now it's much more stable to drive back and forth. Don't know how long it will last, but it looks good. Feels good. If I had more wood, I would put also on the bottom and on the top more wood to make it a full box. But we don't have wood for that.
Uh-oh.
mean, they have hanging, so they also get stuck.
Very good. And now we'll lock it.
We should make it one way, only in. We could put like a hook or something here. That's a lot of force to open So we're trying it for the first time, and it seems like they follow pretty well. They were scared of running into the wall. But I need to drive quite low. It would be better with 4 wheels. Stop for foodie.
Uh-oh.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, fast, she got she nearly got caught of the flowers. She was so fast. We have finished it. Well, David actually finished it. I just helped him with the fence because that's more of a 2-people job. And we're done. We did it all around. And we decided to do like a quick door. It has a stopper on the inside, so we can always close it and they cannot open it really. They need a lot of force. I doubt.
And that's pulling backwards, not pushing. They usually push things.
They push and it doesn't. Like as much as you pull in that way.
I think they like it because they can eat fresh grass.
Yeah, look how much grass is in there.
And that's our lawnmower pretty much. Also has wheels like normal lawnmower. How much did it cost?
32.
Well, that's not used all of it, so half of the cost.
So 14.
14 euros plus 14.
14. Plus the wood again. We reclaimed the wood from the old
Greenhouse.
we had there. So we took apart the greenhouse, which was already breaking apart, and we made a fence. Gate. Fence. Gate. A movable gate fence.
And yeah, it costs like 40 euros maybe with screws and stuff.
40 euros. Let's say 50.
50 euros,
50
yeah.
euros. And decided to put it here because we can look them through the windows. Because it's the first time and we want to be sure that everything is secure. So we left them here and we're gonna go in the house and baby monitor our little goaties.
So we have attached a little roof for them, mostly for the sunshine because it gets really hot. But also for rain, in case it rains, it kind of protects them.
We're still a bit scared of it.
Yeah, they're scared of it moving around and stuff, but they'll get used to it, it's not a problem.
1 hour later.
What are you doing here? What are you doing?
How did you get out?
How did they get out? Oh yeah, so go in.
You're welcome.
Welcome home. No, welcome home. Yeah, go.
This is
ahead.
where we live.
I like that they're all three together. We have the next morning and they have been so loud. They haven't eaten anything all day, so now we're gonna release them and put them in the gate. No. This way. Gonna put them in the gate. Yep. Come in. And David is gonna reinforce it while they're inside so they can get some foodie. Get in. Put in. Where do you think you're going? I left for 1 second and you already escaped. Yeah, they clearly escaped from this hole there because it's bent out like this, so yeah, we need to fix that. I think rather than that it's okay, but yeah, she lifted it up. You being a bad girl? I literally went in for 2 seconds to get off my jumper and get another jacket, and I come out and I see this little girl being out. You think you're smart? I caught you. And that's how it goes. One goes out, second one goes out, and in 1 second, what are you doing? That's not the way. Seriously? Go in. Get in. We have 2 weeks later, and this is the update of how it looks so far. As you saw, we reinforced the sides, and what I would like to do is also reinforce this side and the back one, because they're able to just go out really easy. But as long as we're in the house and like close, it's okay, because whenever they get out, they come to us in the house. So it's everything okay. This one especially, the big girl, she's always coming out and always coming to us. Right? There was like a day she came like 4 times in our house. She escaped 4 times because this one is not working that well. And we reinforce it a bit. And this one, as you can see, she just fall through with both hands. Come here. This one's not working good at all.
It's working.
All. I'm gonna put a clip in on the first days how they were acting on that one. Yes, and as you can see, it's ripped off. They use it sometimes to sleep on it. It still makes shadow, it still creates shadow, and we always now on the hot days put them under a tree. Now we have a cloudy... Stop it! Stop it. So we always put them under a tree if it's too sunny, but now it's perfectly fine. And usually if it's sunny and windy, they love sitting in the sun because it's windy, so they still like it. So yeah, we're just gonna keep it still like that. I think it's gonna be fine. If it breaks too much, of course, we're gonna replace it. But they also use it just for sleeping up there. Well, they used to use it until they broke it fully. So that's it pretty much with our goat car. That's how we call it. We always say, do you want to repark the car? Should we bring the car there? We literally call it car. It's our goat car. And I hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you next time. And the next videos are gonna be kind of vlogs, and we're gonna just film our entire life and what we're doing in the house. So see you next time.